Hello guys, welcome to my new video. AC repair, trusted AC conditioning repair. When the air heats up, your air conditioning system should be at its best. Our expert HVAC technicians know how uncomfortable those sticky summer nights can be, which is why we are proud to offer air conditioning repair services you can count on quickly and efficiently. Signs your air conditioner needs repair. First thing is that water leaks. Second thing is that limited airflow. Third thing is that strange noises. Fourth is odd smells. Fifth is ensure thermostat one or weak airflow. As soon as you discover a problem with your air conditioner, schedule an appointment with the highly skilled and trained HVAC technician at Extra Mile. Waiting to schedule services or performing repairs yourself could cause further damage to your HVAC system, resulting in more expensive repairs and problems down the road. Our trusted technician will work to repair the problem as quickly as efficiently as possible in order to prevent an additional damage for occurring at extra mile. While the pride is our guarantee that all air conditioning repair services performed by us properly executed, we will to do in our power to ensure your home is cool during the hot summer temperatures. You can depend on the qualified technicians at Extra Mile to get the job done right the first time. So our services, thank you for like and subscribe.